Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. It's a 500 sub giveaway, so today's going to be the big day. After I leave the shop here, I'm going to go up to the house, get on the computer. I'm going to use the TubeBuddy to go through, and they've actually got a random comment picker that you can put in. You can either do a random out of everybody comments or all out of a certain word. And if you watch the video all the way through about this, I said, put the word Billy in there. Most of you did. So we'll go through and we'll pick that and let it pick the random one. I'm going to do it 3 times. I have to do it more than that. Basically, one person per item. I got 2 of these, and then the cup. And so I'll just do, if I get duplicates from the random, I'll just skip that and do it again. So we end up with 3 separate names, but you'll see it when I get up to the house. And so that'll be the way to pick them. Then, we'll come back, and after we pick them, I'll show you what to do to let me know where to send them to. So we're all set. We're going to go through and do the picks. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate y'all. And we'll go down to the computer. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to go into the 500 sub giveaway channel, go into TubeBuddy, and then pick a comment, and down here I can put in Billy to search for it. Doesn't have to be lowercase, uppercase. It's generic. It's case sensitive. And then I will search, and this first search will be for the first tool holder. So once I search on that, I'm gonna write that down. And the first winner is Ben Toombs. All right, Ben. So I'm gonna write you down on my notes, and then we'll try again and see if we can get for the next tool holder. Ben, you got a tool holder? Let's try again. And Luke's winner. All right, Luke Graham. So we got Luke's going to win the second tool holder. And now let's see if we can get a person for the mug. Alex with Hammond Ironworks. All right, Alex, you get the coffee mug, and I'll leave all the information below. Hey, just a quick wrap up. Thanks to all the winners. Just what you can do is, if you'll see a link down there in the below, I'll have my email address. And you can also go into the About section of my channel and click that you're not a robot or something, and it'll show you my email address there too. Just email me your the name and address and stuff to send it to, and I'll get it out to you. And I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. And thanks again for helping me reach 500. Now I'm a little over 600. This is great, and I'm very thankful, and I feel blessed. And y'all have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.